Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Replit for Python coding in just minute. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to replit.com. Click sign up or log in, then continue using Google or your email. And once you're logged in, click create Replit. And from the language list, select the Python and click create. Now you'll see the Python editor, and this is where you write your code. And on the right side, you'll see the run button and console output. Here you can type your sample prompt. And after done typing your code, click run, enter your name, and you'll instantly see the output. And that's it. You can now write, run, and test the Python code directly in your browser using Replit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.